Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey everyone, so in today's Elementor tutorial, we are going to talk about a pretty common problem that many people using page builders face, but today specifically we're talking about Elementor. And it's with using sticky elements, right? Sometimes I'm using sticky elements, and you just scroll down. The sticky element will overlap the header or maybe some other element on your site. But for this specific video, we are going to tackle the problem of the sticky element overlapping the header once the user scrolls down. And this problem isn't really caused by the sticky element itself. It might most likely has to do with the z-index setting of the various elements of your page, the header, namely, and a sticky element. For those of you that do not know, the z-index controls the stacking order of your elements, determining which elements appear in front when they overlap. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. If the z-index of your sticky element is too high, it might be the reason it's overlapping your header. So that's what we are going to be looking at today. So for this demo, I am going to be using existing page. And so first, I'm going to show what the problem is, right? So here you see that sticky element. Right here, as you scroll, it overlaps the header, right? So how are we going to fix this? Again, it has to do with the z-index. So let's click on the header to enable editing and inspect the header. Now that we're in the header, let's go to the Advanced tab and then find the z-index. If it has a value set, just go ahead and remove it, as this could be one of the reasons the element is overlapping the header. After that, let's go back to the Elementor editor for the page that you were editing before. And once you're there, click on the sticky element that is overlapping the header to go ahead and check the z-index value. If there is a z-index there, try removing that. So once both z-indexes are removed and both have a blank number, they will not overlap with one another. And so that should be resolved now. If it's still not resolved, go ahead and put in the comment section below, and we'll try to figure it out for you. And as always, these videos do take some time, so if you appreciated this video, just give us a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe so that you get alerted of more videos in the future. Thank you, and see you next time.